In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post in WordPress so that it publishes automatically at a time of your choosing. This is a great feature if you want to maintain a consistent posting schedule, even if you can't always be at your computer. We'll go through the process step by step to make it as easy as possible for you to follow along. The first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing all the posts, pages, and other settings on your site. Once you're logged in and looking at your dashboard, you'll want to navigate over to the left-hand side where you'll see the menu. Hover over the Posts section, and a small menu will pop out. If you're working on a fresh post, you can go ahead and click on Add Post. Alternatively, if you're looking to schedule a post you've already begun, click on All Posts and find your draft from the list available. This is where you'll either start crafting your new content or continue editing a draft you've been working on. Once your draft post is open, focus on writing out your content just as you usually would. This might include adding text, images, links, or any other media you'd like to incorporate. WordPress offers a variety of tools to enhance your post with ease, making it an intuitive process for new and seasoned users alike. Make sure you're happy with the text and everything is polished and ready to go, as this will ensure your scheduled post meets your standards once it goes live. After your content is complete and you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to move on to scheduling the post. Look over to the top right corner of the editing interface where you'll see the Publish settings. Currently, it's likely showing immediately next to it. Click on this link and you'll be greeted with a calendar and time options. Here you can select the specific date and time you'd like your post to go live. Choose the exact moment you want your audience to see this content. Now notice that by selecting a future date and time, the Publish button changes to Schedule. Simply click on the Schedule button, and now your post is set. Congratulations! Your post is now scheduled to go live automatically at the date and time you've chosen. This feature can be a lifesaver for planning your content well in advance, allowing you to focus on engaging with your audience or creating your next post without worry. This scheduling tool becomes incredibly powerful as you plan editorial calendars or need to reach different time zones without being glued to your screen. Thank you for watching and happy blogging.